My bushes are glowing. This is super sweet. This is an outdoor rope light from Lumary, and it has a zillion different colors and patterns and options. Let's unbox this. So here on the top, we've got the rope light itself, and it comes pre-attached to this extension lead. In the middle, we've got what appears to be some kind of control box with a button right here. Here we've got a power adapter, and it's got a waterproof connection on the bottom. We've got some mounting hardware here. We've got a remote control. We've got some clips and some ground stakes and some documentation. Okay, let's see if we can add this to the app before we take it outside. You can see that the light is pulsing, so that means it's in pairing mode. Go ahead and add, and looks like it found it, so go ahead and hit add. Looks like it is adding it, or at least trying to. Let's see what happens. And it just stopped flashing. That's usually a good sign. And it says we've added it. Let's just call this rope light. Looks like there's firmware for it, so we'll go ahead and update that. We'll be back after the firmware is finished. Okay, let's just play around with this. We can warm the color up, it looks like. If we want white color, there's really warm, and then we can make it really cool. So let's just kind of go in the middle. It looks like we can dim it here. Now we could do color potentially. Ah, look at that. Yeah, something I like about this already is that it does colors really good, but then to be able to get really nice white colors as well, that takes a lot of effort. Now look at that, and you can change multiple sections to be different colors. That's very cool. Different options here for, you know, an animated type light. And then it's got music sensing mode. As it listens to what I'm saying, it changes. Check, 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 check. Oh, look at that. You can customize what parts of the light are what color. That's pretty cool. Oh, and you can even turn off sections. Erase that whole section, erase that section. A lot of customization. Wow. Very impressive. Let's just see what this button does here. So it looks like it's just a way to cycle through different options. All right, let's take it outside and install it someplace cool. Okay, I've got this outdoor stairway here with this landscaping. So what I'm going to do is take these lights and I'm going to put them in the ground staked behind these bushes, and it'll come along here and return across the backside here. I think it's going to actually work perfect lengthwise. Okay, look how perfect this ended up being. So it starts right behind this bush, and then it comes along here, and ends perfectly right there. Those little stakes were very easy and perfect for this application. I got to clean up that cord a little bit, but let's test it and see how it looks at night first, and then we can go from there. Look how good this looks, you guys. It's just classy. Very, very fun. I'll take a step back here. That's pretty cool looking. I gotta admit, I didn't think it would look that cool. So I've got it on the warmest light setting. If we cool it off, you can see how that looks. I personally like the warm. Let's go back to that. I think that just looks super cozy and inviting and fun. Let's try some colors here. It's kind of cool. I think I'm gonna have a lot more fun with these than I thought I would originally. I mean, it could be really fun for when you have like an outdoor gathering or something like that. I mean, the possibilities with this are endless. It's super fun. And I've got it programmed to come on at sunset and then turn off at midnight. Next question will be, you know, how long does this hold up out in the weather? I intend to find out. So be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any updates on this as time goes on. Thanks to Lumary for sending this. I was hard to get. I say no to a lot of stuff that people try to send me, and this was one of those things that I tried to say no to. They were persistent. I think they definitely are higher quality and have a cooler product than a lot of cheap stuff out there. While they're probably not the cheapest you can buy, I do think they have a pretty good price point. I say the smartest people are in my comments section, so I want to hear from you. Drop your comments down below, and please consider giving us a like. Those two things, a comment and a like, help the channel tremendously. Completely free to you. We really appreciate your effort and consideration in doing that. I look forward to hearing from you down in the comments, and we'll catch y'all next time.